Namaste. My name is Sandeep. Today we are going to learn Bharadvaj twist or Bharadvajasana I. Bharadvaj was one of the very important Saptarishi. Friends, this is a seated hip opening twisting asana and it's a beginner level asana. If you see anatomically, your neck, your lower back, the whole of the spine, your shoulders, your hip, your abdomen gets affected. When you perform this asana stretches the shoulders, the hip, the spine and also the lats. It improves the organs of the abdomen and also it improves the digestion. If you have neck pain, if you have lower back pain, if you have sciatica, it is very good asana. At the same time, in the third trimester of the pregnancy, it helps to strengthen the lower back. It is also very good for carpal tunnel syndrome. So, if we see the benefits for carpal tunnel syndrome, for back pain, for neck pain, for digestion, this asana can work very well. Friends, those who have carpal tunnel syndrome and during pregnancy, take a little care while performing the asana. Just do according to your own capacity. Don't stretch beyond the capacity. Now let's watch how to perform this asana. So in this, it's a twisting asana, so both the legs will be straight. I will show you the front view first to see how to arrange the leg and then I will show you the side view. So first you sit in Dandasana. In Dandasana, the legs are active, the hands are active, the back is straight, neutral pelvis, shoulders open, chest open, head long, neck long and relax. After this, you bend your leg at the knee. So I am going to bend one leg at the knee. I come into Vajrasana. After coming into Vajrasana, you have to make sure that you are sitting on the floor. Now those who have knee pain, they can make the things easier by sitting in Vajrasana like this, sitting on the floor and allowing the feet to be arranged like this. But we will see it in a more traditional way. So after sitting in Vajrasana where one leg is bent, now we open that knee particularly and allow that toe to come a little in so that it becomes easier. So in that particular knee, the left knee is a little out now. So one knee is now, actually if you see, it is internally rotated. Then you allow the right leg to bend and you place the right foot on the left inner thigh. Now one leg is bent in Ardha Padmasana or half lotus. This knee is internally rotated, if you notice. So one is externally rotated, one is internally rotated. Now let's see this from side view so that we can understand the twisting and how to increase the length in the spine, which is very important. So, I am going to sit in Dandasana and then I am going to bend, shifting the weight on one side, sit in Vajrasana with my left leg, opening the knee and then sitting with the right leg in Ardha Padmasana. Now in this twisting pose, it is very important that you do with ease. Even if you do less, that's fine, but don't compromise much with the spine. After taking or arranging the position of the feet, now check your pelvis and the buttock. Are you sitting on the buttocks? If possible, if you feel that you want some lift to make it easier, use a block, use a blanket so that you can lift yourself so that the pelvis can come to neutral position easily. With practice, even without the block, without the blanket, you can sit. So I am going to sit on the floor and practice. So I am sitting in a neutral pelvis condition. A lot of time when people sit in this, if the hips are very tight, they can start falling forward. The back can start getting round. That we don't want. We don't want even the exaggeration of the lower back in forward position. We want the pelvis to be neutral. Both the hip in one line and the pelvis neutral. Both the buttock bone are on the floor. After taking this position, now we are going to place the left palm below the right knee. So the foot which is up, we go to the opposite side. So we place the left palm on the right knee. And then we place the right hand at the line of the buttock. Now, there is a possibility that when you perform this, if you feel that the shoulders are not in one line, then drop the shoulder. It is very important to keep the shoulders in one line. So after placing the left palm below the right knee, after placing the right hand behind, you can choose to come at the tip of the fingers or palm on the floor. What is more important is to make the length in the spine. So maybe you can come at the tip of the fingers. Either you can place the tip of the fingers aligned with the right buttock, or you can, if you want to increase the stretch, you can place it at the line of the spine. Now, after placing this position, it is very important that to push this shoulder a little behind. A lot of time, you know what happens when we keep the palm on the floor, slowly this shoulder starts coming forward. We don't want that. So what we are going to do is, we are going to press this shoulder blade behind. And then, keeping the hand down, now take deep breaths. Inhale. As you exhale, just turn. And as you inhale now, is it possible to lift from the sternum up? And then as you exhale, turn a little. Inhale, exhale, turn. Now friends, what we are going to do, we are going to turn from 4 areas. Keeping the hip down, keeping both the buttock down, we are going to turn first from the waist region, then from the chest region, then from the shoulder region, and turning the head as much as we can with ease, not forcing too much. So, maintain the length. Every inhalation, lift yourself up from the upper sternum. Every exhalation, turn further. That is more important. Placing the hand, inhale, exhale, turning from the waist. Inhale, exhale, turning from the chest. Inhale, exhale, turning from the shoulder. Inhale, exhale. Maintain the length in the spine. Don't exaggerate your neck too much. Take wherever you are comfortable with. Keep breathing and opening. Every exhalation brings this opportunity to open a little more. Every exhalation brings this opportunity to open a little more. Now when you find difficult, just hold there and keep breathing softly and gently. But keeping in mind that you are still in a neutral pelvis. You are still becoming tall at the same time. So the base is nice and firm and your spine is nice and tall. If you want, you can keep a block to support your hands nicely. After holding for about 5 to 7 breaths, gently release your head, your shoulder, your right hand, then your left hand, and then straighten the leg one by one. Friends, this is a beginner level twist. Don't compromise with your spine when you want to turn. People, they turn without taking care of the spine, and that is the reason why instead of benefiting much, it actually hampers to some extent. So even if you do less, that is fine, but do it correctly and properly. Friends, if you like my video, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe so that you get updates of all the new videos. If you have any valuable suggestions, feedbacks, write to us. If you want us to cover a special subject related to yoga of your choice, you can also write. We will cover that in near future. Thank you for watching. Namaste.